Hi guys, my name's Bianca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I recently cleaned out my closet, and that means that I then decided to treat myself and I did a lot of online shopping. So today I'm going to go through what I got, and most of it is from Urban Outfitters. That's like my #1 place where I shop. Then I just got like a few other things from different stores, so I'll probably show those things at the end. But for now, let's go through each piece and I'll do a little try on session. So first, I just got some new bralettes. I'm not gonna try these on and show these because you know what a bralette looks like. Next, I got these really soft sweatpants. They're like a taupe color, and I got them because I'm really into when people wear sweatpants out in public or like make them casual, because I am all for being comfortable. And like the model on the website was wearing these like with Doc Martens, so hopefully these work. I haven't tried them on yet, so hopefully the try on goes well. Okay, these were like really soft and I like the color of them. So then I got this little gingham crop top, and I got it to go with these pants, but they don't quite match like I thought they did when I looked at it on the site. Like I saw them separately, they weren't like paired together, and I think I just assumed that they would be the same and it would make a really cute like set, but they don't match perfectly, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them. I mean, I'm sure I can make outfits with them separately, but I don't know. That's not how I had it planned in my head, so we'll have to see. So since these unfortunately don't match, I'm gonna see if I can make outfits with them separately and then decide if I want to keep them. Alright, next I got this cute little wrap skirt. It's like a wrap mini skirt. It ties in the top corner, and on the inside it like has a little button. So you button it and then wrap it around and tie it. And I really like that it's animal print, but it's kind of subtle. But yeah, I just don't have a lot of skirts like this. And I really like the colors on this one. I mean, it pairs well with black, so what else do you really need? But the only thing I didn't like was the way the two flaps look in the front. So I have to see if I can find a way to fix that. I also got this little mini black dress. On this one, I like the puffy sleeves, and I liked it has a little tie in the front, and I think it has a really nice neckline. It looked like it would be really flattering. But yeah, I just figured you can never have too many little black dresses, so I thought it'd be a nice addition. So I really like the fit of this dress. I like that it's fitted at the waist and has a modest length, so I can be comfortable and not afraid of bending over. And I thought it'd be really easy to dress up or down if I just change my shoes and maybe add a bag, but I really liked the neckline on this one too. I thought it was really cute. Okay, so this dress, it's a little out there. It's bright yellow and it's like a long midi dress. It's from Urban. I think it was like a collaboration they did with Betsy Johnson. I just really like slip dresses, and I'm kind of recently into yellow. I like never used to wear yellow when I was younger, so I figured this could be fun, and maybe I could layer a t-shirt underneath it and style it maybe with some like lace-up boots. Yeah, so we'll see if I can make this work in my wardrobe. So I've actually already worn this dress. I put a white graphic tee over it and tied it up so it was cropped, and I got a lot of compliments, so this one's a keeper. So I also got these wide leg plaid pants, and I haven't tried them on, so I really hope they fit. I really like these. Like, I'd seen them like this style on a few different people, so I'm hoping these are like more on the comfortable side. I hope I can style these. Yeah, I just thought these were fun. I really like plaid pants too, and these are kind of a fun color. I don't have any plaid like with yellow accents, so that I think that'll be kind of fun. I love these pants. I've worn them so many times already, and I'm absolutely obsessed, and they're amazing. I also got this cropped denim jacket. I have been needing a cropped jacket for so long, just because I mostly wear high-waisted pants or like high-waisted skirts, so I figured a cropped jacket would be perfect for those types of outfits. And I think this one is a really good option. It's just kind of like cut off style, and it's a really like versatile wash. I think this one is like a really easy piece to layer onto a lot of outfits. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this piece. So I've actually worn this jacket a few times too, and I don't necessarily like it too much with the outfit you're seeing, but I've made it work better in other situations, so just trust me. Okay, so the last article of clothing that I got is actually this Reformation dress. It's only the second Reformation dress I've ever bought, but it's a little more see-through than I was expecting, so not sure if I'm going to be able to wear this out very often, but I really liked that it's a midi dress. I really love that length. It's just really cute. I like the polka dots. I think it was on sale. I've only bought Reformation dresses that are on sale, so maybe one day I'll buy them full price, but today is not that day. We'll see. And I haven't tried this one on, so hopefully that's going well. So not sure if you can tell, but I'm kind of a sucker for midi dresses. I like this one a lot. I just tied it a little too high, as you can see the lining around the bust, but I thought this one would be cute, especially like in spring and summer. So I also ordered a few pairs of sunglasses. The first pair are these. I got them from Urban, and I think I wore them in my Reformation dress video, but I really like them. I've been wearing them a lot. The next pair of sunglasses I got are another black pair, and these are QUAY. I hope that's how you say it. How else would you say this? I'm not really sure. But these ones are a little bit bigger, but they're still kind of like that cat eye shape, which I just really like. I think it frames the face really well. These ones I also like, and I've been wearing these ones a little bit too. And the last pair of sunglasses I got are these like rose gold pair, and I got these from Nordstrom. And honestly, I just saw them and I liked them. I don't have any sunglasses this color, and I thought this was a fun shape. Hopefully I can pull these off, but I just thought they were really fun and cute. Okay, last but not least, I also ordered 2 pairs of new shoes, and I'm really excited. I have actually not even opened them yet. I've been waiting for this moment for so long because I had to pre-order these and then wait like 2 months for them to ship because they were back ordered. I ordered them from Barney's and they're cute and wrapped in tissue paper. So I ordered 2 pairs of the Converse Comme des Garçons, and I am so excited. I got both of them in the high top version. I just liked the high top versions better. So first, I got this black polka dot pair, and they're so cute. I love them so much. I am obsessed. I love that the midsole color is like a cream off-white rather than just like bright white. This is the first time I'm opening them, so fingers crossed that they fit me. Even if they don't, I'm gonna make them work because I'm obsessed. So this is the first pair. And the second pair, I went for the cream canvas ones with the little hearts on them. Oh, I've been waiting for these for so long. I can't wait to try these on. They're beautiful. The box kind of smells like poison, but that's okay. I'll just air them out or something, it's fine. So again, everyone pray to whoever you pray to that these fit me. But again, I'm gonna wear them regardless, so it's fine. Alright guys, that's everything I had for this haul. I'm still pretty unsure about just a couple of the pieces, whether I'm going to keep them or not. So feel free to comment down below either your favorite outfit or your least favorite outfit. That'll definitely help me on my decision making process. So I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed trying everything on and making this video. It was really fun. So if you did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.